Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make rice tadka. First, gather all your ingredients. You'll need about 1 cup of your preferred rice, 2 tablespoons of cooking oil or ghee, and a selection of whole spices like cumin seeds, mustard seeds, and dried red chilies. Don't forget fresh aromatics such as ginger, garlic, and onions. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's prepare the rice base. Rinse 1 cup of rice thoroughly under cold water until the water runs clear. This removes excess starch, ensuring fluffy grains. Cook the rice according to your preferred method, whether it's on the stovetop or in a rice cooker, using about 1.5 cups of water. Once cooked, let it cool slightly. This prevents it from becoming mushy when mixed with the tadka. Next, we'll create the flavorful tadka. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil or ghee in a separate pan over medium heat. Add whole spices like 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, letting them splutter. Then, add finely chopped onions, ginger, and garlic, sautéing until golden. Incorporate your favorite vegetables, such as chopped tomatoes or bell peppers, cooking them until they are tender crisp. Finally, gently fold the aromatic tadka into your fluffy, cooked rice. Mix it well so every grain is coated with that incredible flavor. Garnish with fresh cilantro for a vibrant finish and serve hot. This dish is perfect as a main course or a delightful side, offering a burst of Indian flavors. Before you go, remember to check the description below for a link to some fantastic darn tough socks and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade rice tadka.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.